Okay, so here we go. Let's see what's in there. Well, the first thing that I like is that it comes with printed recipe cards, because the other one, I'm not going to say any names, but you know, the one that I won't talk about did not have printed recipe cards. You had to go online to print out your recipe cards. So this is pretty cool. Sticky sweet chili chicken. Did I pick that? Obviously I did. And I like the way that this is packaged, because the other one, you know, the one that I won't talk about, just had like some, I don't know, carpet shit. I don't know. It looked like the stuff that goes under carpet. Like, I guess it's still installation, but not on my food. Like, where do you do that at? So I see that they have their stuff all packaged in these little bags. If you remember, HelloFresh had paper bags, and these have little sandwich bags, which works fine for me. The other one, the one I keep talking about that I say I'm not going to talk about, did not separate their stuff. It was just a bunch of food in a box. Like, the meat was there, the vegetables was there. It was like chicken juice, and by juice, it's not cooked, so you know what I mean. Like, anyway, let's move on. So, okay, this is interesting. I wonder what I got that comes with one slice of bread. Although it does say free gift. This bread my free gift. I mean, it's this chocolate bar. Is my free gift. Bueno. So it's good. It means good. Oh, okay. Whatever. And you can see that the produce is all in there. It's all separately bagged very nicely. And then I'm assuming the meat is underneath this thing, which it is. So I will try one of these recipes and let you guys know how it goes. But so far, I am happy with it. It was significantly less than HelloFresh. HelloFresh was running me about $60 a week, where this box cost me $26 a week. And the other one was pretty much about the same, about $20-something a week, but it was not packaged with the same amount of care that this was, for sure. So